you can now book in online to join us in person at Excel Church for our short Sunday evening services. So you can book each week from 8 p.m. for the following week, but places are limited, so get in fast. You can head to Church Suite or get us at excelchurch.org.uk/Sunday services.
It's higher than the heavens. Your love reaches out to me.
Our next leadership development night is going to be happening on the last Wednesday in September, and we're going to be joined by Pastor David Lawrence. So why not sign up today to get the link?
Your love has set me free, and now I realize nothing in this world can separate us.
So you can join us for a special one-off event where we'll be joined by guest speaker Raj Holness. Now, Raj is a survivor of sexual and domestic abuse and will be sharing her testimony from a Sikh background to how God has transformed her life, and she now helps other people who experience domestic abuse. So you can join us for this event online on Wednesday the 14th of October in the evening at 7:30. So if you would like that link, then you can just find that online and sign up.
Vintage wine, exceeding all we've ever known. Your love reaches out to all.
We're excited to announce we have a mini devoted conference happening on Saturday the 17th of October from 10 a.m. till 11 a.m. So the theme is Hidden Heroes, where we'll be looking at women in the Bible that we read little about but that made big impact. So why not join us online? See you there.
Now I realize nothing in this world can separate us.
Kids Stream is now back every Friday at 6:30 and Sunday at 10 a.m. with a brand new look and a brand new theme. So kids, why not join us for some fun, some games and great lessons from the Bible.
Overwhelming me, overtaking me, your grace, outrageous grace, empowers me to live.
So don't forget, Connect groups are our meeting this week where we're going to be doing a new study on Proverbs, which is very exciting, so you can get your wisdom. And that's all for Excel News. So if you'd like any more information, then find out information on our website or get us on social media. Have a great week, guys.